If you guys have an AT4 or an SLT 2500, 3500, 20 and up, there's a cool little grill insert that I stumbled across online that's actually going to fill in these gaps here in between the ribs. I just felt like this grill, it's nice and everything, don't get me wrong, but I just felt like it looked really empty. So I was contemplating on painting this black, getting it wrapped or something, but I just felt like that wasn't going to do anything. It's just gonna look darker, you know. So this grill insert is gonna fill in these gaps. It's gonna give it more of a Denali style finish. And if you guys do have a camera, there's gonna be some cutting that we're gonna have to do. It doesn't seem like it's that bad, but yeah, let's get to it. So check it out. Here's the inserts. Like I said, these are ABS plastic. They come with the 3-year warranty, and these are literally just gonna snap in. You don't even have to take off the grill to install these. And these are specific inserts for each rib. So as you can see here, I'm gonna try to point that out. This groove here is gonna line up with that. And here's the bottom one. As you can see, this one has a nice big contour to it. That's gonna match up with the rib down here. And the camera, we're gonna have to do some cutting, not a big deal. Just use a Dremel and cut out a little notch there, and that's it. So